For Your Money is brought to you by NelsonCorp Wealth Management.
It's now time for Your Money. We're joined by David Nelson, CEO of NelsonCorp Wealth Management. Welcome back, David.
Thanks, Brandy. Appreciate it.
So the U.S. stock market has been pretty dominant in recent years. What are some of the things you've been watching in this area?
Well, you're exactly right. And certainly the last 16 years, the market in the U.S. has exploded as far as on the upside, and the rest of the world's been pretty stagnant. But if we go back to 2008, we see that the U.S. We were roughly 40% of the world capitalization as far as the markets. Today, fast forward to today, we're looking at 60%. The chart I have today is going to show us that, and it's going to give us kind of a feel for why is it that we've dominated as far as over the last 16 years. What we see here is in blue, the U.S. as far as the earnings that these corporations, primarily the large cap technology companies, have just had exploding profits, up 162% as far as the market as a whole during this window. And if you contrast that as far as to what's happening abroad, as far as in these other countries as a whole, which is in red, we see that in this same period of time that it's actually negative 2% during that particular period. So just shocking data, and again, certainly worth noting.
So what does this mean for viewers and their investments?
Well, the takeaway, I think, is that diversification is really important for individuals. But if you look in this 16-year period of time, it certainly cost people a lot of money if they diversified and had a lot of their money as far as abroad versus having it in the United States. So again, diversify, but pay attention to your investments. And again, over a period of time, this has been just a very unusual period as far as that the U.S. has experienced.
All right, David, as always, thanks for joining us.